In this video, we will learn how to create proposal using step-up SAP required for target future value. So when your client wants to accumulate a specific target for his financial goal, and they want to do a investing in a step up wise or top up wise, so that in that kind of cases you can use this calculator, which is step up SIP required for target future value. So I'll tell you how to use the calculator. This is a dashboard of Encourage. You need to go to the sales tools. In the sales tools, there is a client proposal option. In the client proposal, here is step up SIP required for target future value. Let me open the calculator. Now firstly, they are asking for the cover page title, which is optional. If you are not adding it, it will become like calculator's name only. So I am adding as in Raj Sharma. Next is targeted amount. Here you need to add a targeted amount. So I am adding 5 crore rupees. Next is SIP period. So I'll take 20 years of SIP period. Here you need to add a step up percentage wise. Every year's percentage wise you need to add a step up. So I'll go with the 10%. Now they are asking for the expected return. That is two situations. So I'll add 10 and 13% of situation. Next step is add client option. You need to click to the add client button. Now you can add client's name from here, and from here you can add client's profile picture, which is totally optional if you are not adding any cover any client's photo. So it's optional, but I highly recommend please add your client's photo, so that the proposal will be more enhanceful to your client. So now here is the option which is add customized sales kit. So if you want to add some additional pages in this proposal, so firstly you need to make a PDF from the sales pro pack. Here is the option in the sales rules. Here is the option which is sales pro pack. So after making the PDF, it will be reflect in this customized sales kit. You need to select a PDF. Now they are asking you want to reflect this PDF in the beginning or in the end. So we will go with the beginning only. There is the last option which is add suggested scheme for investment summary. So you can select a multiple schemes where you will get a scheme's past performance. So I'll go with, you need to click to the add suggested scheme for investment summary. After that you can select a particular scheme. After selecting one scheme, it will be reflected here. As you can see, you want to add many more schemes, so you can add. I'll go with the second scheme. As you can see, my second scheme is reflecting here also. So I'll go with the calculate button. Now firstly you need to preview your proposal. As you can see, SIP planning for Raj Sharma, we just take a targeted amount 5 crores. SIP period will be 20 years and step up will be 10% wise. Here is the total investment summary, 10% wise and 13% wise, and here is monthly SIP required. So monthly SIP required, for example, monthly SIP required 10% wise and 13% wise. Sorry. So here you will get a SIP with step up cash flow, 10% wise and 13% wise. So here you will get a SIP, scheme's past performance also. So now you can save the proposal, you can download the proposal. If you don't want this cash flow, you can go with the summary only. So if you are saving this proposal, it will become in the client proposal, in the all saved proposal. So I'll go with the download proposal as of now. So it will be come in your download list. So let me open the calculator. So basically first page will be your branding. Second two pages which we selected of customized sales kit. Now you will get your cash flow here. Second last page will be your disclaimer, and last page will be your branding again. So this is how you can make a proposal in a step of SIP in targeted future value. Thank you so much.